Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we put on the right, so you got about positive. Next, 1 plus y we put on the left, the s we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of 1 plus y. The integration of s squared, you got about s to the power of 3 over 3, and we put about c. Now we have the conditions in here. That means when s equals to number 1, y equals to number 3. So I will put number 3 gone here, number 1 gone here. 1 plus 3, you got about number 4. This one you got about 1 over 3. Later that we put this one go to the left, and we got about negative 1 over 3. And now we have this value in here to change about c. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.